Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are studying at home. You all are fine. Now, please take out your computer books. Today, we will study computer. Chapter 3 Keyboard and Mouse. We will learn about keyboard today. My dear students, what is keyboard? My dear students, what is keyboard? Keyboard is an input device used to give data and instructions to the computer. What is keyboard, my dear students? It is an input device which we use to give data and instructions to the computer. With the help of this, we give instruction and data to the computer. It has many keys which are used to type alphabets, numbers, and symbols. It has many keys. My dear students, what are keys? The various button on the keyboard. The various button which are there on the keyboard, that are called keys. That are called keys. Yes. It has many keys which are used to type alphabets, numbers, and symbols. With the help of keys on keyboard, we type different alphabets, numbers, and symbols. Now, there are various types of keys, my dear students. There are various type of keys. What are various type of keys? First one is alphabet keys. First one is which one? Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. Alphabet keys are 26 numbers and from A to Z, and from A to Z alphabets 26 are there. So from A to Z all alphabets are there in alphabet keys. All right, my dear students, but they are not arranged in alphabetical orders. They are not arranged in alphabetical orders. These are used to type letters, words, and sentences. So, with the help of alphabet keys, we type letters, words, and sentences. Without this, we cannot type letter, words, and sentences. So, we need alphabet keys to type letter, words, and sentences. All right, my dear students. Now, come on to numeric keys. My dear students, what are numeric keys? Numeric keys are 10 in number from 0 to 1. Numeric keys are 10 in number from 0 to 1. These keys are placed above the alphabet keys. These keys are placed above the alphabet keys. See if you can see the picture. The picture is clearly showing us it is placed above the alphabet keys. They are also present on the rightmost side of the keyboard. If you see the keyboard, come here. If you see the keyboard, the rightmost side of the key, this is numeric key. These are numeric key. They are on right hand side. All right, my dear students. So how they help us? They help us to do calculation. First of all, these are used to enter numbers and perform different calculations. So that is why they are present on the rightmost side of the keyboard. All right, my dear students, I hope this is clear with you. Now move on to the next key. Next keys are function keys. Next keys are function keys. Function keys are 12 in number. Function keys are 12 in number from F1 to F12. See the picture. If you see the keyboard, this F1 to F12 keys are there. 12 keys are there, function keys. They are placed above the numeric keys. They are placed where? Above the numeric keys. These keys perform different functions in different application. When we use these keys to perform different functions in different applications. All right, my dear students. Now move on to next key. Next one is arrow keys. Next one is arrow keys. These are, my dear students, these are foreign numbers. These keys are foreign numbers marked as left, right, up and down arrow. And these keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. These are used to move the cursor on the screen. Alright, my dear students, see the arrow. So these are used to move the cursor up and down, right and left on the screen. Alright. Now the last type of keys are special keys. Under the special keys, there are many types of keys we will study. See, there are some more keys on the keyboard. These are called special type of keys which perform different functions. First one is spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Remember student, it is the longest key on the keyboard. It gives blank space between the text. Whenever we are typing the text, to give a space in between words, we use spacebar key. Alright, my dear student, this is the button. See, the picture is given here. Next one is caps lock key. It helps us to type text in capital letters. Whenever we need capital letter, we don't need small letters. So we press this one. So we press caps lock key. And when we press this cap lock key, lights on the keyboard will turn on. See the picture of caps lock key. Alright, my dear students. Next one is enter key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Enter key is used to bring cursor to the next line and to send instructions to the computer. When we use enter key? To bring cursor to the next line. Whenever we want to bring cursor to the next line and do our typing, then we press enter key and to send instructions to the computer. Alright, my dear students, see the picture is given, enter key. Whenever we want to come to the next line, we use this enter key. Alright, my dear students. Now come to next key, my dear students. Backspace key. Backspace key helps you to delete the character lying to the left side of the cursor. Whenever we want to delete any letters, any numeric number to the left side of the cursor, we use backspace key. To the left side, we use backspace key. Whenever we want to delete left side, remember this, left side, we use backspace key. Alright, my dear students. Last one is delete key. Now what is delete key, my dear students? Delete key helps you to delete the character lying to the right side of the cursor. Whenever some characters are lying on the right side of the cursor, whenever we want to delete that character, we use delete key. We use this delete key. See the picture? We use this delete key. Alright, my dear students, I hope all these keys are clear with you. Now please learn all these keys and their features also. Alright, my dear students. Study hard and stay safe, my dear students. Thank you.